What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm showcasing this undercarriage pressure washer attachment that you can use to remove all that pesky road salt out from under your car. Now, I'm going to start off by showing how effective this product is with a before and after, and then we're going to take a deeper look at the attachment itself and demonstrate how it works. So starting off, this is the before video of what the underside of the car looked like before I rinsed it. As you can see, absolutely nasty and covered in road salt. So after some quick rinsing and then giving it time to dry, here are the results. And as you can see, it is significantly more clean than it was before. However, there is still some salt buildup on that muffler and the exhaust pipe. And it is important to note that the leftover road salt could be due to user error and me potentially not being as thorough enough or moving it slower enough to allow the sprayer to work properly. So I think if you were to be more thorough with rinsing the underside of your car with this, taking your time, it potentially would be more efficient at removing all that salt. Also, if you have a more powerful pressure washer, that's going to make a big difference too. Me personally, when I used this sprayer, I was using the Active 2.0, which has it has 1800 psi and a GPM of 2. So at this point in the video, you're probably asking yourself, why not just take your car through a touchless car wash that has an underbody sprayer? Well, the reason for that is because those touchless car washes use very harsh soaps that are going to strip waxes and sealants off your car, such as a ceramic coating. And there ain't no way in Hello Kitty Workshop that I'm going to take my car through a car wash and have it strip off all those ceramic waxes that I've put a lot of hard labor and hours into applying to my car. So if you're someone like me who is very anal about their car and you treat it like it's the Ark of the Covenant, then this underbody sprayer is going to be a really good tool to keep your car salt-free as possible and to keep your car out of those pesky car washes. Okay, so now I want to show you guys the tool up close and what all it comes with. The one I ordered was from Amazon. It is called the EVEAGE. I don't know how the heck you say that. It comes with 3 connecting rods and a wash mitt. Product link is below if you want to check it out yourself and buy it for yourself. It also comes with this bent rod, which connects directly to your pressure washer gun and allows you to hold it standing upright. Now, I normally just connect the 2 straight rods, and it works for me that way. I don't like having to deal with all those connecting rods out there. It's just a hassle. So again, here's the tool itself up close. It's got some really nice big beefy wheels on it. They roll really great on grass as well as uneven pavement. And just overall, the tool is super easy to use and set up. And so far, it's been working great. Here's a random clip of me running the sprayer out from under the car, just to kind of show you guys how up it sprays and what the water pressure looks like. And since we're on the topic of water pressure, because you have 4 holes in this in which the water is spraying from, you're probably going to be using a lot of pressure, I would imagine. So I highly doubt that the pressure coming out of this tool is anywhere near close to 1800 psi, which again is what my machine is rated for. So that's just some food for thought for you guys to digest. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative in deciding on whether or not you should purchase one of these underbody sprayers to use for your car. If you have any questions, I do respond to all the comments on my videos, so feel free to drop a comment below again if you have any questions. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and stay glousy, my friends.